Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you tired of being tied down to one location? Do you crave the freedom to live and work wherever your heart desires? Introducing our incredible portable prefabricated tiny foldable home, the ultimate solution for those who seek flexibility, convenience, and adventure. This mobile expandable modern house is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a remote worker, a traveler, or a family looking for a weekend retreat, this fully customizable unit caters to all lifestyles. With customizable features such as color, bedrooms, kitchen, living room, bathroom, shower, and office, you can truly make this home your own. Our unique foldable design sets us apart from traditional homes, offering unparalleled mobility and convenience. Forget about lengthy assembly processes and cumbersome relocation efforts. Our foldable home can be set up in minutes, not hours, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. But that's not all. Our portable prefabricated tiny foldable home is built to last with high-quality materials, superior durability, and modern amenities. From built-in workstations to high-speed internet connectivity, it offers a luxurious living experience comparable to larger, stationary homes. Not only does our foldable home provide unmatched comfort and versatility, but it also promotes environmental sustainability with its eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient features. So why settle for traditional housing when you can have the freedom and flexibility of our portable prefabricated tiny foldable home? Click the link in the description to start living your best life today.